Hello, creative mind. Welcome home. I'm Survival, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Office app and then the boyfriend dress up. So, without wasting much time, let's get to work. So, this is the Office app is currently loading. So, what can we do with this Office app? So this Office app is actually for females, not for females per se, but when you want to create a female figure which you want to use for your designing, that's when you need or you use Office app. Like, it helps you create a figure that suits your tastes. That's what it does. So without wasting much time, let's explore the app and so that you can see what it can do. So this is the Office app which has just finished loading. The four images you are seeing here are actually just different faces which you can dress up and use in coming up with a unique figure you will want to use for your designing. So let's take which one do we take now? So let's pick this first one now. You just click on it. Once you click on it, it brings up something like this. So you see it, this lady is just here for you to dress her up and then come up with something you feel is what you need for your design. So the first one here is just the hair. This one here at the top left of the screen is where the hair. This is how the Office app is. The left of the screen comprises of different sections: the hair, the clothes, the shoe, and what have you. You can also scroll down: the glasses, the bags, and every other thing. While the right has options, like if you take one from the left, which is the hair, in the right you'll be able to see a lot of options on the hair you can choose or you can fix on her. So let's dress up this lady to bring up a unique character. So we're on the hair now. If you touch this, you notice it will change. You touch this. There are a lot of options here, but I think I'm more comfortable with this one, or even this. I think this one looks okay. So now we go down to the second one, which is where you select something that is covering the hair, not covering the hair. I'm not all that good in women wear, so you bear with me. So you see it. I think I love this one, this second one. All these things are options you can choose from, but I think I like this. So we go to the clothes section. This is the clothes section. You can select anyone there, but I don't think I like it. I want a long sleeve or a gown for her. So I'll just jump and go to the next one. So this is okay. I think this white shirt is okay. I'll go for this white shirt now. So I'm trying to create a character that is more like an office worker. So I'll go for a suit. This one is for the suit now. These are options. Think I would like the black. This one, I think I'm okay with it. I will actually not prefer skirts. Let me look for a trouser. I think trouser will be okay. So I think I love this. So again, glasses. Okay, shoe. Let's go for shoe. So you can select from any of these, but I think I'm okay with this. Let me go with this white one. So can go for glasses. I need something simple. No. Okay, I think I'm very much okay with this one. Then I think she's okay like this. I don't want to make her look too complicated. Then handbag, just need something simple, maybe black. No, let me check for more. Okay, I think I'm very much okay with this. So with this, you can see we've actually dressed up this lady in a way that suits my taste. So that is what this app is meant for. You can create any character, dress up any lady in any way that suits you so that you can use it for design. If you are into fashion, your focus might be on the bag, on the shoe, or anything. So the aim is just for you to come up with a character that you that you want to use for your design. So after making the design, you simply click on this camera icon. Once you click on it, it screenshots. So with this now, you've actually made your design and it's saved in your phone. So that's the much you can do with this design.